In this video, I will show you how to use the Modify Analysis button. This button will allow you to add on to or change some parameters for a previously run analysis without having to rerun everything, saving you time when analyzing your data in Peaks. Here I have a sample DDA analysis which was run using the PeaksDB workflow. In the report filters, I chose to filter using a -10 log P score cutoff of 20. I can see in my result filtration parameters that this gives me a peptide FDR of 2.4%. But what if I want to filter the results at a peptide FDR of 1% instead? There is no need to rerun the entire analysis. Highlight your analysis name and click on Modify Analysis. This will bring you back to the analysis wizard. Click through to the report page. I will now change the -10 log P score cutoff of 20 to a peptide FDR of 1%. Click on Finish. As you can see in the Progress tab, the analysis starts towards the end of the database search step. It is only rerunning the filtering step. Now it is finished. I can see my results with the new peptide FDR filter by clicking on Analysis 2. Now I have decided that I want to add a label-free quantification. I'm going to start by clicking on Modify Analysis again, making sure the analysis I wish to modify is highlighted first. Now I'm going to click on the back button until I arrive at the workflow selection page. I'm going to switch from the PeaksDB workflow to the PeaksQ workflow. Now I'm going to click through the analysis wizard. Peaks should keep all of the previous database search settings, but I always like to double check anyways. Now on the quantification page, I will set my LFQ groups. And click through to the end and choose Finish. Now looking back at the Progress tab, Peaks has added on an LFQ analysis to the already completed database search. Once it is complete, the LFQ results will be available under Analysis 3. When you use the Modify Analysis button, Peaks will only rerun the steps that involve the parameter that you changed and all of those that follow. Hopefully, the Modify Analysis button will help save you time when trying out different workflows and parameter options in Peaks. We hope that you found this tutorial helpful. For more information about Peaks, please visit our website, bioinfor.com. Thank you for listening.